Okay, y'all, I'm on my way out and go and do my weekly Target run. Just to see what they got inside here. And I need to get some more face stuff for my face and some body gel. Little knickknacks like that, things like that. So we're going to go inside here. And of course it's raining. Why would I not go in when it's raining? So stay tuned. I'll be back. Keep watching. Alright, y'all. It's a very rainy day. Look at it. Oh, it's cold too. I even got my jacket on. Whew. And of course, I would forget my damn headphones, so don't talk too loud. I'll get you on speakerphone. Alrighty, got my shopping cart. Let's see what we got. I really don't have much of. What is this? Little stickers, it looks like. Alright, let's see what we got over here. I feel like I'm about to slip though. That's cute. Alright, in Target, and I made it here to the vitamins. So, I've never seen these Centrums before. I don't know if they knew or not, but I've never seen these ones. And then the hair, skin, and nails. They say $7.99, but I don't know if that's really the price. It says $7.99, right? I don't want to get it and then not, but I'm going to get it. Anyway, and this card here, and then they have this one. $12.59. They got a lot of them too. This one's $17. PMSing. And here's another hair, skin, and nails. It's two of them. I don't know if those are right prices or not. Alright, let me go to the other side, see what they got. Elderberry. This is $12.99. What is there? Yeah, I don't know what this one is. Or some multivitamin. Hello. B12, C, and D. Okay. Now, here's a Nature brand. This is the pill. This is like, nobody feel like taking no pills. Give me some gums. Need some gummies. What is this? For energy? And daily energy. Ugh. So many to choose from. I don't know which one to choose, right? Look at this one. Yeah. I don't know, but there's so many. And this one. Goodbye, stress. Lord have mercy. What is this one? To help you sleep. I think I showed that one, yeah. Ooh. Okay. Well, that one's $18.99 or $12.89. Either one. Alright, moving on. This is protein. Oreo. Chocolate chips. Nutter butter. And what's this one? Cinnamon. Wow. That's a pre-workout. I keep hearing that these smell so good. This pistachio. Let's check it out. Oh, you can't. Yeah, pistachio do smell good. I like the way that smells. Yeah, I want to try one. But do they have them? Where they have? No, they only got rainbow. That's the only one they got? Why? I guess it is good because they took all of it off. I hardly see anybody try any of these. That's the body mist. Hmm. Yeah, well, these are $30 though. I ain't got none of them. Okay, I'm over here playing in these. Anybody tried these before? What is this? Lip correcting green cream. Then there's this. It's like a cream for blemish. No. Okay, that's a face scrub. I need lips. Biodermal. What is this? What does this do? Is it a different language? It's a cleansing oil. Okay, this little thing is $5. What is it? Makeup melting remover stuff. Yeah, no. This is 7. Oh, I didn't see the buy 3. Good stuff. Hey, here's a little one. I would try these. This one, because it's only $4.99. Instead of supposed to getting the whole big old one and then you don't like it, so now you have to throw the whole thing away. It's crazy. So these samples are always good. This is mascara. I didn't like the way this smelled. It was $5.99. I didn't like the smell of it. Alright, moving on. Okay, I said moving on, but I found something else. What is this? Moisturizer? Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. I thought that was to the wash to your face with, but that's not. I like Hydro Boost, the cream. This is water cream. Extra dry skin. Ooh. What is that? $11.99? And then I've seen this too. I don't know what this. This is the cleanser. They have the cleanser and the moisturizer as well. I've only seen the cleanser over here. $4.99. Okay, I'm leaving for real this time. For real. I always said I'm leaving for real this time. Alright, moving on, for real. Okay, I found a couple tea tree masks for $1.99. This one is, what is this? Juicy pineapple. $2.99. This is relaxing lavender, same, $1.99. Pink. With oil absorbing natural glaze. Detoxifying dead sea salt and aloe vera. That sounds good. This one here is Soothing Honey Almond. Ooh. And here's another pineapple. Pineapple is actually my favorite fruit, so it's a peel off with uplifting pineapple extracts to hydrate and hyaluronic acid. Yeah, probably didn't read that right, but chill out. You see what the sign says. Chill out. They also have watermelon and avocado and aloe vera. Here's a collagen. These are $4.99. Oh, that's for the hands and the lips. Okay, $5.99. And your feet. Of course, can't go without your feet, right? What is this, eyes? Okay, yeah. Next. I ain't got nothing in this cart. One thing. Let's see if I can find something. I'll be back. Okay, so I showed this the moisturizer over, not the moisturizer, the cleanser, but here's the whole shelf of everything that they have. This is the cleanser I just showed over there, and then there's the acne cleanser. There's $15.99 and $12.99, and here's some spot patches, it looks like, for $15.99, and this is for dark, the serum for dark spots. They have that as well. And then they have a whole kit. It looks like, what is this, $24.99, and it has all that, the cleanser, the gel, moisturizer, and emergency spot patch. And then there's this, and this is the moisturizer. $16.99. So you have a whole full thing, you know? So that's good. Why is there so many tissues? Like, I love the Charmin, but it's just like, it's $20 for 18. It's like, yeah, all tissues expensive, but we need it, right? Alright, so I use these too. I just brought a new fresh one, so I don't need it right now, but I'm just showing it. So I'm just walking past, trying to get out the store, and look what I see. This is really cute. I want to press the button, but I don't, because it's going to make a whole bunch of noise. But these are cute speakers. Bluetooth speakers. This one's really cute. I have that one too. I don't see any. Oh, the price is $249. Did it go blurry on me? Oh no. It's something Rob would like, of course. He probably already have it, don't you? Probably. Okay. We have like two things. Hi, how are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Good, thank you.
So you got a toothbrush.
Thank you, bye. I hear you. Alright, we got the bag. Let's go, 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 go. It's time to get out of here. Just back over here. Is it still raining? I hope not. Yes, it is. Oh. Sheesh. It's hard too. Damn. Oh boy. I opened up inside of Target, but it's going down out here again still. It's still packed though. Look at the parking lot. Alright. But, yeah. Let me show you the bag. We got the bag. And let's get in this car before we get soaking wet. Alright. Stay tuned.